Relationship between equations in linear systems. Systems of equations with one linear and one quadratic equation. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are the examples of special cases of linear equation systems? 2. What are independent systems of linear equations? How many solutions do they have? 3. What are independent systems, dependent and inconsistent systems of linear equations? How many solutions do they have? 4. How many points do the graphs of equations involved in a dependent system of linear equations have? 5. How many points do the graphs of equations involved in a dependent and inconsistent systems of linear equations have? 6. How do we solve systems of equations where one equation is linear and one quadratic? 7. How to solve systems of equations where both of them are quadratic? How many possible solutions do such systems have? Introduction. Do you think all linear systems always have a pair of numbers as a solution set? Try to solve this system. We have the following as shown on screen. What about the system of linear equations? Does it have just a single pair of solutions? We have the following as shown on screen. The two systems shown before are not like the ones we discussed in the previous tutorial. As we will see here, not all linear systems are such that their graphs intercept at a single point. Moreover, not all systems of equations are linear. Some of them may contain quadratic or other types of equations. Hence, it is necessary to further elaborate on the concept of systems of equations, in order to explore the possible ways of solutions. That is all for introduction to relationship between equations in linear systems. Systems of equations with one linear and one quadratic equation. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 9.8.1, Special Cases of Linear Equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.